Hey everybody, it's Marty the JavaScript Party, and I have to do a quick one this time because it is 2:44, and I'm supposed to play Ultimate Frisbee in 16 minutes. So I have to knock out this video pretty quick, but it's me and my buddy Rhett, and we are coding today. I made my last video a little bit too long, and it's taking forever to upload. I'm at 30%. But if I remember correctly, and so normally I'm a bit of a disadvantage this time because normally I watch my other video before, and then that I did last week and all that. I do remember being sort of almost done being ticked off about the whole TikTok thing, and now I'm like, it's like just like I hardly even remember it ever happened. My guess, I hear we're up again. I know there was a big sort of thing this week about uh, Chinese and small TikTok people ordering from China and having to pay like a 10% tariff. And then I guess it got changed now where you only have to pay a 10% tariff if your order's over $800. That's what I hear. So, and you know, the 10% tariff would have, and much to my surprise, my wife actually orders from China all the time. I had no idea, but normally, like, I mean, you could buy a lot of stuff from China for $800. I mean, it's pretty crazy how much stuff you can buy. But she said she's never had an order that was more than like $250. So she falls well within that $800 threshold. So my other video, it has 7 minutes left of uploading, and it's at 44%. So here we go. So I think last time we clicked this and we got that. And what we want to do is we want to do an up. We want to create so we have a new settings dialog. And so we want to do we want to use the Angular material to pop up. Let me close that. And we have our discrete result. We've got our clear results. We've got our settings. It calls open discrete form. And one thing I like about the latest version of Angular with all the latest best stuff on Visual Studio is you can do that. You can right click and say, take me to the function. I don't know though. If it says it's initializing Angular features. That's weird. But it's in the same folder. I kind of regret doing that now. And yeah, so I have this open discrete form. Now, Angular material. And then once I go there, I have to go to components. And then once I go to components, oh, I keep forgetting, I need to hurry. I'm going to go to our dialog. And we're kind of doing like this thing here, I think. And when we looked at the code, we saw that there was two things, and that in the TypeScript, they have both ones. So we have to import. This is very important, and it is like easy step to miss, but we have to import. See, they didn't have to import it, but we have to import our new component. So, and we did something very similar up there. And basically, I'll usually put a comma here. I'll hit the enter button, and then I'll come over here, and I will copy this. And here's another funny thing is that you don't, and I don't know with the latest Angular, but you don't actually need a selector. And I've gone to places where we didn't have a selector before. There was no selector, and it caused like a error in the compiler, but it worked. And you could pop up with just the dialog component. I'm like, how did they even do that? How did we get here? But that was funny. Okay, so hit that. Hope for the blue. We got the blue. Hit import. And hey, my other file has uploaded. And then hit save. And then let's see. That is that. And now let's see. Import mat button module. Change district. Okay, so we don't want any of that. So open dialog. Why does it have? I wonder how. Okay, open dialog is my open discrete form. I don't think these things are necessary. And I don't know why I didn't put void in front of both of these. Usually I have that muscle memoried in. Void. What are we on time? Time. Okay, I got 11 minutes. And then I'm hoping that this just works for me. And I don't want those two things. So I'm just going to copy this over. Paste it. Remove these two things. I think I'm going to remove the width too. And then doesn't know what dialog is. So we're going to have to figure that out. And we know that ours is named discrete setting dialog component. So that's what we want it to open, is our dialog component. And then how did they, okay, so then they created theirs as a read-only dialog. If I had a little more time, I would go on a total rabbit hole on what that read-only thing is. Like, why is that different? And then they import mat-dialog. So let's add mat-dialog. Now, this is where you have to be super. It's just kind of weird. You just have to be like a little bit careful that when you do the import that you import it from the right place. Oh, you son of. It doesn't know how to find it. So let's just see. Let's just try. Let's get crazy here and just mat-dialog. Material dialog. Yeah, sometimes you just get lucky like that. It just is right now. Don't know. Oh, okay, mat-dialog. And maybe if I had put module on there, it would have been able to find it. Module. Did they do mat-dialog module? See, why didn't they have to do mat-dialog? Oh, maybe. Okay, maybe. Well. Okay, so that was right. Okay, so I think I did it right here. Now let's see if it knows how to, because I got a blue one. Yes. That's a good feeling whenever it finds the blue one like that. Now it's upset because I'm guessing. Okay, so I guess I didn't need to put it here on the import. Well, see, yeah, I didn't have to do it on this imports. Okay, they imported the button module. I don't know what that thing is. And now it knows what dialog is. Okay, we don't need this one up here. And I have 7 minutes. Right, we have 7 minutes. And I don't know why we have a yellow line under this thing. It says it's not using it, but I thought we were using it. Yeah. Okay, so mat-dialog component is not used. Wait, am I discrete dialog? Dependencies are reloading. Optimization change. I have no idea what's happening right now. See, are we broken over here? We're not broken over there. All right, I'm gonna kill this and restart it. Don't understand this thing, because this I literally am copying. Okay, no, yeah, it even highlights it down there. Okay, and it, boom. All right, guys. I wish I could spend some more time. This is probably a better video because I can't spend more time. But we did get the dialogue working. I believe if I click off, yeah, it goes away. Happy coding, everybody. Bye.